Oh, hey, Jasmine. What brings you here?
Nothing, sir. I am just seeing you.
What? Don't you have anything to do?
Sorry, sir. I finished my work.
Good. You have done a great job.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. You can leave now.
Okay, sir.
So, you want to do work in a call center?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Sumaira. My father name is Ali Ahmed. I belong to Bahamagar.
Okay. Why do you want to work in a call center?
Because I would love working in a call center.
Oh, like seriously?
Yeah, of course, sir.
That's good.
Thank you, sir.
Smera, what do you know about call center?
Sir, it's an office where large number of phone calls are handled.
Sounds great. That's good. Have you any experience?
No, sir. I am fresh.
How much money do you expect from this job?
Actually, sir, we are living from hand to mouth.
What happened? Do you have any serious problem?
Yes, sir. I am in dire need of money.
Oh, I'm sorry for that. I'll try my best to pay you well.
Thank you for giving me this favor.
Alright, don't mention it.